Morning and welcome, everybody. This is IGTV, and this is the InfraGard editorial with William H. Murray talking about RSA and new research. Bill, take it away. This has got to be interesting. Go ahead. We may be breaking some news here.
Today at RSA is the Great Cryptographers Panel, and our subject for this morning will be part of that panel. I'm not going until tomorrow, and so I'll miss that panel, but I can pretty much predict what they're going to say. Last week we talked about the principles of key management, one of which is that keys must be chosen in such a way that every possible key is as likely to be chosen as any other. The timing was prompted in part by the publication the week before that of a paper entitled "Ron Was Wrong, Wit Was Right." The paper, by Arjun Lenstra and others, reported on an investigation of 11.7 million public keys. In this population, they found 26,965 that are vulnerable. In crypto speak, they offer no security at all. We need to take their assertions with at least a little salt. First, as we've said here often, one should give to security advice from cryptographers the same credence that one gives their advice on theology, medicine, or law. Their language of choice is hyperbole, and while many of them consider themselves security experts, and while they sometimes even get it right, they have no authority in our space. Second, cryptography is the strong part of security, far stronger than we need it to be. To hear the cryptanalysts talk about their work, one would think that the cost of recovering a message without the benefit of the key had suddenly fallen to the cost of encrypting the message with the key. Historically, this has never been the case. Cryptography simply does not fail that way. Finally, this is not about who is right and who is wrong. In science, truth trumps personality. Even if that were not true, the title would still be inappropriate. This is mostly about the software, not the math, about the implementation, not the fundamentals, about the pseudo-random number generators, not Ron or Whit, not Adi, Len, or Martin. Some of you will remember the recent paper that demonstrated the cost of recovering a message encrypted using the Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, was only 1/5 that of an exhaustive attack against the key. The paper failed to say that an attack using their analysis began at the Big Bang would still not yet have completed. What cryptographers call broken, security people call good enough. We use strong crypto because it is cheap, not because we need it. But what did this new research really show? Well, it showed that in a very large set of keys, about 2 keys.
All right, I lost you there. All right, we're gonna stop.